by telling people it's not possible, then you prevent people from taking action. If they know it is possible, they'll take the action to get there. The guy that ran the mile in 4 minutes, I mean, they said it was impossible. He said, I'm going to do it. I'm going to take the steps to make it happen. And so we have to believe it's possible.
Is anything possible? Now, let me clarify this. One of Les Brown's main speaking events was called "It Is Possible," right? I think it was called "It Was Possible," right? Yeah. So we had a huge Clubhouse event a few weeks ago about this very topic, and
I wish I was there.
You were sitting on the top stage with Les Brown.
Yeah.
So, is anything possible with that context established?
I do believe that anything is possible. I mean, there is no limit to what the human mind can create, and there is no limit to what the human being will go and do. And so I do think anything is possible. I mean, obviously we can't change gravity or laws like that, but can we? You know, we've done DNA sequencing. We've done all kinds of things that we didn't think were possible years ago. And so I think it's naive of us to say something's not possible. And I think it's only empowering for us to say anything is possible. Anything is possible. I would love to be the person who invents teleportation. Like, I would love for that to be able to do that. I have a dream of like creating a machine that can like attach to your brain. And when you sleep, it like turns your dreams into a movie. And then you wake up in the morning, you can like watch your movie of your dream. I mean, who knows? Like, what if I believed so succinctly that it was possible, then I would move in that direction of making it happen. And I think by telling people it's not possible, then you prevent people from taking action. If they know it is possible, they'll take the action to get there. The guy that ran the mile in 4 minutes, I mean, they said it was impossible. He said, I'm going to do it. I'm going to take the steps to make it happen. And so we have to believe it's possible.